Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tech BD. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the icon of any folder on your PC. It's a simple process that can help you personalize your workspace and make it easier to identify your folders at a glance. First, right-click on the folder you want to change and select Properties. Then, navigate to the Customize tab. From there, you'll see an option that says Change Icon. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a variety of default icons. To choose from. If you want to use a custom icon, click Browse and select the icon file you've saved. Once you've chosen your new icon, click OK and Apply, and your folder icon will be updated. It's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.